Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Summer Fresh Hummus in the roasted garlic flavor. Natural ingredients. It might be the middle of winter right now, but we're still getting that summer fresh. So this is a 227 gram hummus, and the ingredients being cooked chickpeas, filtered water, non-GMO canola oil, tahini, roasted garlic, lemon juice, sea salt, garlic, and spices. And for 2 tablespoons, this has 60 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbohydrates, 2 of this being fiber, 1 sugar, and 2 protein. So pretty well rounded there. Let's go open this up. And I'm going to use some non-dippers to try this out with and then give my review on it. So love non-dippers because they're just the easiest way to eat hummus, in my opinion. And I already had a little bit of this, so mix that up. That's so good. Get it to focus. Oh, come on. Here we go. So, this hummus, it's got a nice garlic taste. It's not too strong. The hummus itself is just actually I think very well rounded. It's got a gross garlic taste. It's not too strong. It's just the right amount of everything. So, I'm going to give the Summer Fresh hummus a 7.5 out of 10 in the roasted garlic flavor. It mixes very well with anything. I've tried this with crackers now, non-bites, and all of it's good. So I really like this hummus, and it was really cheap too. Don't mind that. First time having it too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.